Good morning, Manadal. My name is P. Bhaskar. Our mini project is Bluetooth control home automation. We are under the guidance of Mr. D. Lakshman Kumar and he is assistant professor. The contents of our project are abstract, existing system, proposed system, software requirements, hardware requirements, UML diagram, block diagram, modules and screenshots. Abstract technology is a never-ending process. To be able to design a product, the current technology that will be beneficial to the community is a huge contribution. This paper presents the design and implementation of low-cost communication between cell phone and HC is wireless. Password protected is being used totally to allow authorization. Existing system and its limitations. Generally, appliances are controlled with the help of switches these days. As we know that physically handicapped or elderly people, it is difficult to use or operate uh, conventional wall switches. Proposed system controls the electrical loads based on data transmitted. An Android application should be installed in user's mobile to control electrical loads. Using these Android application, commands are sent by user to the electrical loads. Wireless technology used is Bluetooth. It can also be called as Bluetooth control home appliances. Hardware requirements are Arduino Uno, Bluetooth module, relay driver, and power supply. Software requirements are embedded C for the microcontroller. We can use front-end language like XML for mobile application, and we use Java for backend, Arduino Uno, and Eclipse Android SDK software development kit. The above use case diagram represents user possibilities such as authentication, reading of lights, control. Sequence diagram for authentication. In order to authenticate, first user need to connect to the remote system. Then remote system asks the user for its fingerprint. User inputs the fingerprint. The remote system validates it using fingerprint, which has controller validation. If it is authentication, if it is authenticated user, it logs in, or else it log out and disconnect. After login, he uses commands for uses commands, and after his commands, he disconnects using logout. Sequence diagram for operating. For operating, we used to connect to the remote user, open navigation menu, and command process using lights of the room and display list. Choose turning on off or send a command. Such as there are only two commands, on and off. Using boolean, we can verify. Flowchart depicts that main window consists of three options: list of lamps, options, and exit. Exit is nothing but exit end of the program. Options are searching for an enable device. List of lamp consists of user selected lamps, and we can change the status like yes or no. As I said before, we only have two commands, yes or no. Block diagram consists of loads and relays connected each other, and power supply, which is connected to Arduino Uno, relays, and Bluetooth module is solely connected to Arduino Uno. Transmitted is a Bluetooth Android application device. Bluetooth module consists of HCOFA model, which is 1.8 volts operation. It is used to use Bluetooth profile and application platform architecture at different type. For communication between mobile and microcontroller, this Bluetooth module is used. Relay module, as we can see in the figure before, we use 4-channel relay that could be easy and convenient. Input voltage is common for all the relays. As below screenshot depicts the home page of our application. The screenshot 2 depicts the on and off status of the given lights. Clicking on, we can select user lights on, switch on or off. Fingerprint scanner will be displayed to authenticate user, as we can see in screenshot 3. Screenshot 4 is used to switch off the on lights, and it asks for a confirmation. Screenshot 5 depicts the hardware setup or prototype of the system. LEDs are represented using the output bulbs. Screenshot sheet 6 allow shows the authorized user. The system allow new user to pair mobile devices. Hardware easy. Thank you.